Hi, midwives. Welcome to Pro-Life Bookkeeping, the Pro-Life Bookkeeping YouTube channel. As you guys know, I am Trevonna Parker. I am the Midwife's Bookkeeper, here to help you make it through your journey to save you time, money, and energy, and also your sanity so that I can take care of the books and you don't have to. Today, I just want to give you guys a little quick tip on what bookkeeping really entails, just basic bookkeeping. So bookkeeping, of course, is that foundational pillar of your financial team. So I always like to make sure that everyone I work with is a good consumer of bookkeeping. That way, that when they grow their businesses, they may need their accountants, they may need an advisor, CFO, a business analyst, depending on how big you want your midwifery practice to go. Those are other key players that you're going to need on your team. And it starts with bookkeeping because we take all those transactions that happened in the past, make sure that they're organized so that anyone else on the team gets to use them for their benefit. Now, let's go ahead and talk about those three main things that you're going to have a bookkeeper do. So the bookkeeper is going to categorize transactions, they're going to reconcile accounts, and then they're going to generate financial reports, preferably on a monthly basis, early in the month, so that you can have the reports to do what you need to manage your business. So let's talk about that. Categorizing transactions. So of course, money comes in, money goes out. We want to know what it was for, who did it go to, why, so we can put it in the proper place so that you can monitor what's going on. That way there's no chaos. That way we're on the same page. Your office manager is on the same page. Your tax accountant is on the same page. We're using these buckets to make sure that everything is managed properly. From there, we go to reconciling accounts. Now, if you have bank accounts, that's any business accounts, that will be your checking accounts, your savings accounts. If you have any credit cards, loans, also, if you use any digital payment gateways such as Venmo or PayPal, you're going to want to reconcile those accounts because that'll help you make sure that penny for penny, everything is accounted for. And it'll also help you to know whether your loans are trending down or if your loan payments are trending up, if your credit cards are how much money you have available on your credit cards, how reliant you are on your credit cards. So many different things can be gathered from reconciling your accounts. And then finally, there's the financial report. So we want to generate financial reports, preferably sometime in the earlier half of the month, so that you can also use your reports for management. Now, that's very, very key. A lot of people only use their reports for tax time, and that's not how you successfully grow a business. So you can use your financial reports for management every day, looking at what's going on, checking to make sure that you are not spending more than you're bringing in, making sure that a project that you may want to look into, maybe do you have the funds for it? So there are a lot of different things where management purposes come in with your financial reports. However, a lot of people do have other reasons for financial reports. So you may want to get a loan. Well, if you go to the bank and you're looking for capital, they're going to want to see your reports. You may have someone who's already invested in your business and they may want to see your reports. And of course, you do have the IRS. They will want to make sure that you have everything squared away so that when you're looking for those deductions, everything is in line so that you are IRS compliant and trying to avoid any auditing or at least successfully pass an auditing. Another reason you may want to look at some financial reports is so that you can take a look for tax preparation. Maybe there are some deductions that you could be taking that you're actually not taking. Your bookkeeper can definitely help you with that. And as far as management purposes, you want to look at some gaps, spikes, and trends. Your financial reports can help you to say things like, hey, I think I overpaid my insurance premium last month, or I double paid my utilities, or hey, I thought I canceled that subscription and I didn't. So your financial reports give you key insights. Now, the two main financial reports are the profit and loss, aka the income statement, and then the balance sheet or the statement of financial position. There's one other financial report that not everybody uses, but that is the statement of cash flows. And that is very important because some people mix up profit and cash, and they are not the same thing. And so you want to monitor those as well. But the profit and loss will let you know all of your revenue, money that comes in from your businesses and your services, and then your expenses, money that goes out. let you know where you are at. So you're going to get your profit minus your expenses and some other things sprinkled in there, which we can talk about in another video. And then that leaves you with your income. If it's a profit, you're in the red. If it's in the black, it's a loss, hence the name profit and loss. The other sheet is your balance sheet. And that's a balance, that famous equation, assets equal liability plus owner's equity, or you can remember ALO. And that's where you're going to find the balances of your bank accounts, the balances of your loans, the balances of your credit cards. It's going to show you how much you may owe others. Maybe your parents invested in your business or someone else invested in your business. It's going to show you how much you've invested in your business and what the business owes you. If the business were to shut down at this very moment today, how much the business owes you and what the numbers are. So those are the key things that you would find as far as bookkeeping services go. So make sure that if you don't have a bookkeeper, you know how to categorize your transactions, reconcile your accounts, and generate monthly financial reports. And again, emphasis on the monthly. You want to do this monthly. On a cadence. So there are some portions of it that you may want to do daily, depending on the size of your business. Some portions of it you may want to do weekly, and then other portions you may want to do monthly. And then, of course, as you're rolling through the months, you're going to want to do some things on an annual basis. And we'll talk about those things at another time. But for now, thank you so much for looking at this video from the Pro-Life Bookkeeping, the Midwife's Bookkeeper. I am here for you. If you are looking for a bookkeeper, you can check us out at prolifebookkeeping.com. Or if you'd rather remember the midwifesbookkeeper.com, that's easy as well. You guys have a great day. And of course, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to me directly or leave them in the comment section. I'd love to hear your questions. You guys have a great day. Bye now.